Hey everybody. So you probably know that TikTok has become a highly popular site for videos. Kind of like YouTube in a way, except for short form videos. I mean, the site has exploded in popularity. And also, let's not forget about Facebook Reels, which I think is Facebook's answer to TikTok. Well, YouTube saw this, and YouTube was like, well, we need to make something very similar to that. Let's create shorts. So, in 2020, YouTube began shorts, and I think it was India. Yeah, I just looked it up. But they came to the United States in March of 2021 and instantly became a very popular thing. So, YouTube Shorts, as you probably know, is a format of video, a short form video, no more than a minute long, filmed in a crappy smartphone layout. Yes, crappy smartphone layout. I can't stand it when videos are posted in 9:16. For so many years, people were like, don't do that. Turn your phone like this and shoot video, not like this. But sites like TikTok and now we got shorts, they're all encouraging it. It's like, come on. So, anyway, shorts explode in popularity. And it's killing YouTube. Yes, it's killing YouTube, and YouTube needs to just cut it out with shorts. You know why? Because the revenue that is earned on shorts is like just a teeny tiny little fraction of what you earn from long form videos. For example, on my channel, the amount of money I earn from shorts is just a teeny tiny fraction of what I get from my long form videos. Yes. Now, I don't have a whole lot of shorts videos, but the ones I do have, some of them, I mean, they did get quite a few views, but the revenue that's earned from shorts compared to long form video, again, it's really small. And the YouTube algorithm is promoting shorts. When you go to look up something on YouTube, for example, when you use YouTube search, you'll see lots and lots of shorts. And I'm just not really a short kind of person. I'm kind of tall, actually. But yeah, so I've tried shorts out on both this channel as well as CubeComp MPDX. And initially, it seemed that shorts would at least get decent views. I mean, initially, stuff I posted on shorts got really good views. Matter of fact, there was one YouTube short that I posted. It was an old Radio Shack battery out of a camcorder. I was basically showing the Radio Shack logo and how, of course, the Cube Computer Company logo is based off the same typeface, which is Crystal Radio Kit, in case you were wondering. Based off the same typeface, posted that to shorts, and within hours it had over 1,000 views. Yeah, that's something that many videos on this channel seem to never get in long form. I talked about that in a different video, but shorts are what's getting all the attention, it seems, on YouTube, and it's pulling attention away from long form videos. It's killing what made YouTube, well, YouTube. And considering that the ad revenue that creators get is also basically a share of what YouTube gets from the ads. And of course, YouTube splits that with the creator. So it's also hurting YouTube's bottom line. The shorts are killing YouTube. And I think YouTube eventually is going to have to stop them. Because it's again, as I said, shorts are getting all the attention. The algorithm is recommending shorts. And the thing is, one of the reasons why I don't participate in shorts anymore is it seems that nowadays when I post a short, it hardly gets any views. It's like, okay, why should I grab my phone and do a 9:16 video for less than a minute when I could explain more detail in a regular video? It's just like, why go through the hassle? Matter of fact, the last YouTube short I made was a very quick announcement stating that my videos were reinstated. Yes, I took my videos down for 36 hours trying to get my channel out of the invalid traffic glitch. But yeah, shorts, I don't really see the whole point of them anymore. The thing is, yes, you can get views, yes, you can get subscribers, but the thing is, I feel like those subscribers are really looking for more shorts. They don't care for the long form stuff, they're looking for more shorts. And it's like, come on, just come on. And I noticed YouTube recently introduced a feature in shorts where you can link a short to a long form video. So yeah, YouTube, they're getting desperate. They're getting desperate. And I have a feeling they're just going to have to kill off shorts altogether because they're hurting YouTube. They're killing the site. If they keep on with shorts, it's really going to impact their bottom line. And I feel like part of the reason why views are down on my long form videos is shorts. YouTube, they wanted to be TikTok, but now that's hurting them. I mean, that is what it seems like. So YouTube, I feel like they need to end shorts because it's really hurting the bottom line. If you look this up on the internet, I'm sure you'll find some articles talking about this. It is a pretty serious issue in a way. So anyways, that's my thoughts on the matter. What do you think? Leave a comment if you like. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.